In the fast-paced world of automotive repair, trust and reliability are paramount. As a shop owner, your reputation depends on the quality of the parts you use. Since 1946, Walker Products has been a trusted partner in the automotive industry, supplying premium fuel system components and engine management sensors that meet or exceed OEM standards. But more importantly, meet the same standards that your reputation is founded on. With ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certified manufacturing facilities across the globe, Walker ensures precision and quality in every part produced. As you know, quality, performance, and reputation start with everyone involved in the process. Walker Products is proud to be a family-owned, privately held manufacturer that has one singular focus: customer success. Their headquarters in Pacific, Missouri is an incredible resource for you, offering direct access to their amazing customer support department, engineering and design team, and their product management team members, providing you with the best manufacturer support in the industry. Walker's commitment to exact OEM function and quality means you can install Walker products with confidence, knowing the job is done right the first time. By choosing Walker products, you're not only ensuring your customers' optimal vehicle performance, but also building and maintaining the trust of your customers. For more information, visit our website at walkerproducts.com.